Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module which will actually do the geocoding process of converting your address, whatever address that you write. It will tell you the exact latitude and longitude coordinates. So this Python script will give you. So for this we are using a open source package of Python called as Geopy, and you can see this is actually the Python geocoding package here. Simply execute this command to install this package. I have already installed it. So now let me just show you a very simple example. So once I run the script here, I say python app.py, so it will tell me to enter any address in the world. So it will convert this. Let's suppose I say Auckland. So I basically written this address right here, and now it will convert this into latitude and longitude. So you'll see it will do the geocoding process. So it will give you these coordinates so that you can plot this on Google Map, exact latitude and longitude. So you can repeat this. Let's suppose I say a different address. So this coordinate will be different latitude and longitude. So this is a meant by geocoding, which converts your addresses into latitude and longitude. So now let me show you. Once you install that package, you simply say from Geopy we have this geocoders, and then from this we import this like this, and then we specify inside this main function. So here we ask the user to enter the address. So we use the input function. So here we simply ask the user to enter the address. Then the user will write the address, and then we call this custom function, passing this address as an argument. So now we just need to define this function. And this function will receive the address as an argument. So now we will do the geocoding process. So this this module here, we'll call this and pass the user agent, and here you just need to give it a name right here. You can give any name. So after initializing this, so this contains a simple method which will convert your address into latitude and longitude. So we simply say geolocator, and it contains this function geocode, and here you simply pass your address, and then it will return the location. If the location is there, then we simply print out the latitude and longitude like this. So location, which will be an object, so it will contain these properties location dot latitude, location dot longitude. So it will print out the actual coordinates. So if the address is not defined, then in the else block we will say that the address can't be found. You can't find coordinates for this address. So very simple script. You ask the user the address. Once again execute this. You write the address. It gives you the latitude and longitude. So you can see that. So this is meant by geocoding here, to actually plot the latitude and longitude using addresses. So you can do this unlimited number of times, so there is no restriction of putting any sort of API key. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.